everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. We picked up a hood. Now I know you're thinking, don't you already have a hood? Yes, I already have a hood, but that one's blue, this one's white. So figured it'd save us some money when it came to painting. It's dirty and it's rough. Let me know what you think. Just gonna do a little cleanup on her, bring out the power washer, and see how it goes. Some stuff going on right here. Good old dish detergent soap. Hit the screen so it focuses on me. I don't know what half this crap on here is. You know what else I just noticed? There's no holes for the windshield wipers. Have to relocate them, I guess. Same guy I got the door from. Did you know? Okay. Let's spray it down and see how it looks. What do you think? Boys just showed up. Javon, Andrew, Jonathan. All right, so we have to figure out how to get this off the grill.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Andrew, what's your suggestion?
So we're gonna take the hood off first, and then we will take off the grill.
What do you think?
It's a good idea.
Jalal?
I prove it. It's good. Pretty good. Man.
Come on, flick your hat.
What size is it?
What size is it? What size did you pick, John?
What size is it, John?
It's might be a 13. 13. It's a 13.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna pop that off there, there.
Right there, John.
What's the light?
But hey, we have to pull before you do that.
Yeah, I'm not screwing it out completely though.
Yeah, let me take this one off too. Jump up there and take the light out.
Okay. Hold this.
Okay.
Here, give it.
And then we have to pull these out too. Okay. Well, let's come down. Let's come down. I don't want to ruin this. I still want to be able to sell this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put this one on now. So much. That would be fun.
So we think we have to take these off, but then how do we get in here?
I think we gotta take apart the grill.
Yeah.
That's the only way to get that one bolt in there.
Yeah, how the hell do we get that bolt? John,
Even if
really
you-
get that bolt.
But even if we took that piece apart,
This bolt right here.
Yeah, we can't take it apart either because
no, because then you still can't get access to it.
yeah.
All right, well, let's just start
Well,
taking
yeah.
stuff up.
Well, let's start out with just these three. Let's see what happens.
Plastic. Try yours. Sorry.
What?
Try the other one.
Oh, that one. That meant probably.
All right, buddy?
I don't know which one you guys are trying to get rid of.
Look how tall I am. Who says the trick? I can't see it.
You're right there.
Joel, you should definitely be doing that.
Vinny said leave me try. Okay,
Let me try.
let me try because I can't get the whole. What's wrong with me?
That's what she said.
Hey, whoa, whoa. Okay, so these have to come out,
Yep, the clips.
and then
It's a screw. It's a Phillips screw.
Do you have a Phillips screwdriver?
where 2 bolts are hanging it on.
That one. It's connected to the,
Make sure I don't smell. Gotta hate the smell.
I don't think they can smell.
Gross.
Soon they will be though. You have to be taking showers before you film.
That was working.
You gotta squeeze it from the back.
Yeah, go ahead.
Squeeze it from the back.
Thank you.
I like
working?
that.
Nope.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah, it's coming out a little bit.
Slowly but surely.
Is it?
Is it? Or no? I don't think so.
Not so tight.
Not even
Nope,
open
it's
it.
destroyed. You can't get it out. You can't get it out, you screwed it.
You right. Oh, you nailed her.
Did it work?
Went through.
Or did you crush it up so much that...
We'll get her out.
Go get a racist.
I don't know, bro.
Get her.
It should pop right out now.
He's just going ham with that.
Vinny said we're gonna get it out no matter what.
He's like, I want her out.
What the fuck? There you go. Ow.
Oops. Sorry.
Vinny, it's out. It's
out.
out.
I think that's all we had to do the whole time was hammer it out.
I don't think they use them ever again.
Tell me what happened.
Wrong hood.
So guys, look at this hood. Check out this one. Check it out. Right guys? You see this? Now look at this hood.
Got a hood for sale. $100. That's what I paid for it.
Wow.
Wow. Great.
Fun times.
Great. The paint. I ordered the paint so we could do it so I could teach Belle how to paint.
Okay. Perfect.
So,
The most important thing is off. Well, we gotta cover that.
yeah.
But I got an idea. This
Welcome to the life of E.
This $100 hood could cover that.
You think so?
Yeah, because you don't have to bolt it down. Are you driving a truck?
Well, I like to use it if I have to. I wonder if this hood will even fit.
This guy's looking big today.
Let's try. Let's see what happens. Because we're not gonna put the grill on for now. But at least if we put the bolts on so it can cover the engine.
Let's just see if it fits on. For the time being. Ready? Yes. Here we go. Rob. Hold on. Now look how small this is.
Oh.
Oh wait, maybe I just gotta come over.
Yeah, yeah. Come over a little bit.
No. It's small.
It is. It's a little small.
It's a little bit small, but not tremendously.
You think it's small?
Hold on.
Is it going to fit? Almost.
Oh wait. Vinny?
Yeah.
This is an excursion hood.
Yeah.
It's not even a pickup hood. It's a Ford Excursion. You know what I'm talking about, right, John? This is an excursion hood. Because they have a front nose like this.
That's funny because the door fit just fine. Alright, put it back on the garbage can, I guess.
What we could do is, Vinny,
Yeah.
you could pop that hood back on. And just bolt it up on the edges.
I want to eat.
Oh, my bad.
My bad.
No, it's just the water.
It's a mess.
It's a mist.
It's the what?
Yeah, look at all these spots. Oh. I guess it's gonna be a full sand down and repaint now. Scheiße! Scheiße! Watch out.
You don't like the drip today?
Man, I'm a little upset about that. Not gonna lie.
But it's alright. It's gonna come out more mint. Now full sand down paint.
What kind of episode is this, Vinny?
Fucked up one. Who's gonna? I'll put one on this side, one on the other. Alright, cool. Just make sure you don't fuck up that fender over there. Tilt it back.
Where'd it go?
John, you gotta put down the camera.
So basically, one of the screws fell because of Andrew. Thought his small hands would get through in there. It never did. All it did was push the bolt deeper into the engine bay.
Actually, I stopped so Andrew could do it. And Andrew's fat hand pushed it further down.
Oh.
What was that?
The grill.
Just a grill.
What? The grill. We had the grill standing up. The wind.
Vinny said she's thick
No,
with
Jello,
one
Jello.
C.
Show,
Log
show,
on it, girl.
Jello.
Jello,
Jello,
show
her.
us your girl.
Yeah,
You
go
need
ahead.
to chill. Bro, you need to chill.
Now show. That's what I call thick, baby.
Thick.
Let me see.
Now that's my kind of thick.
Thick.
Watch this shit.
You know what is thick
Do I
though?
even have service to pull it up?
No, you need to get service. If not, can't that shit because you gotta pull that shit up and
The lineup.
It's a loading for Puerto Rican, right?
Thanks for watching. Come back. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Comment.